Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Earlier, we have seen many videos on ChatGPT in my YouTube channel regarding how to find a job using ChatGPT, how to write a resume using ChatGPT, how to earn money using ChatGPT. In this video, we will see other important use case of ChatGPT, that is learning. If you haven't utilized it for learning, then you are missing a lot. You can use ChatGPT to learn anything in an easy manner. Let's say like I want to learn Python programming. Please follow my prompts that I use to learn Python using ChatGPT. The first thing that I ask ChatGPT is like, I want to start learning Python. I am a beginner and have no prior knowledge. Please act as a Python professional and help me in teaching Python. So this is the prompt that I asked ChatGPT. See how what it does. Should I be happy to get started with learning Python? Yeah, it's giving me the step-by-step thing on how to start Python. It's giving me first like install Python first. After that, learn basics, practice coding, join a community. It is all fine. It is giving the overview of it. What are the prerequisites before starting learning Python? This is something that I'm asking. Computer skills, math skills, logical thinking, English language skills. Okay. Now I will ask, teach me from scratch, starting from basics to advanced one by one. So this is other prompt that I was giving to ChatGPT. Let's get started with the basics of Python. Getting started with Python. That yeah, it is asking me to download Python first. After that, how to use Python interpreter. It's giving me everything like from basics to it is giving me everything from scratch, starting from very basics to advanced topics. You can explore something like this. So this is how you can learn anything using ChatGPT. Please follow my prompts. So the first prompt that I gave ChatGPT, I posed ChatGPT is like, I want to start learning. I'm a beginner and have no prior language. Please act as a Python professional, because I am asking ChatGPT to behave as a Python professional, so that it can teach me well. And it gave me the overview, and after that I asked the prerequisites, and it gave me the perfect list. And after that I asked ChatGPT to teach me from scratch, from basics. It's giving me from the basics, like the steps that I need to follow to learn Python. Download, it is asking me to download the Python first. After that, it's asking me to use the Python interpreter, or how to use the Python interpreter. It is giving me, after installing Python, you can start using Python by opening a terminal and typing Python. And it's giving me the hello world basic example, variables, data types, operators, conditional statements. Now what I can do is like, if I have completed learning all of things, then I will ask like, give me some practice examples of the above content that you shared. I'm asking it to give me some practice examples. It is also giving me some questions to test my knowledge. It gave me many programs to practice. After I'm done with the practice, and I can also ask like, now give me the solutions for the above questions as well. I'm asking ChatGPT to give me the solutions for the above five questions that it asked me. It's giving me that as well. So it is like, these are the prompts that you need to follow to learn anything using ChatGPT. Ask them to teach you first. After that, ask them to give some practice problems. You try that. If you fail to do that, ask them the solutions as well. If it give you the solutions, you can practice them again. Once now, I can ask like, continue the tutorial. Continuing with the other topics. If you pose good question, ChatGPT will give you good answers. So make sure you utilize the process that I have followed to learn anything. It is very easy because it's like you are interacting with the teacher, that's it. So if it's an online course or a YouTube video, you might not be interacting with that person. You will listen from it, you will practice. If you're stuck somewhere, like it might be difficult for you to search anywhere or something, but here you can ask questions. Here it will teach you stuff. You can ask them to pose questions to you. You can ask doubts as well. See, that is the advantage of learning using ChatGPT. If you are not utilizing ChatGPT for learning, please make sure you do that. Whatever the technology it might be, I have just show you the example of how you can use ChatGPT to learn Python. You can learn machine learning, you can learn digital marketing, you can learn any different technology using ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is a master in teaching you stuff. If you are a student, utilize the ChatGPT well to learn anything. You won't find a better teacher than ChatGPT. So make sure you utilize the ChatGPT well. I hope you utilize this video. Please like and share this video with your friends and make them realize that they can also use ChatGPT to learn anything. Thank you for watching this video.